they're used, they're not new. I change these down here, and I already pulled one bolt, and one bolt is stripped, so I gotta figure a way to get that out. But I got that. And this, we got this right here, which we'll be able to put this on and have reverse. Should be a little bit better on the bolt. Alright, when you get people that don't know what they're doing, you'll get this shit right here. What was that? I don't know if it's focusing. You can see it's stripped to hell. This one's broke to hell anyway. Let's see if I can get it out. But let's look at these damn things. Yeah, those are wrecked. How in the hell you do that? I have no idea. Make sure they look a little different. These bars are a little longer than this one. Bolt patterns are the same though. Another thing on these grates, I noticed this one looks like it was sharpened right here, which I don't know. No, the water comes in this way, right through here. Out that'll cut up seaweed or just to direct the water better. Still got to be better than this. It ran good with this. I did suck up seaweed once and had to stop and pull it out. But I was in like 8 inches of water. These are also thicker this way. It's kind of odd. I don't know. I don't know much about jet skis. Alright, I got this. I'm going to throw them on and see how they fit. I'll take this old one right here and just throw it away. You coming to help? Those look a little better. Just gotta finish putting the bolts in. Yeah, and I'm also missing 2 bolts for back here. Those old grates only had literally 2 bolts holding it on. I didn't realize it. Tree just cracked. Hopefully I don't get killed. How nice would that be on video? You hear that? There. The grates are done. Oh, it should be good to go. I might put a little sealer up around here if you can see where those are broke. I do know it's cracked all the way through here. When I took it out of the jet ski, I saw that. How? They probably hit something, but it doesn't leak. Not yet, anyway. Alright, I'm going to pull this off right here. Just got to pull that. There's 4 bolts, one there, one there, one there, one there, and this whole assembly will come right off. Once you unscrew that right there, disconnect that, your water inlet, and those 4 bolts, which you can see I pulled this, will literally pull right off. You see this one on the inside, it's still. Alright, we got this cleaned up now, and I'm going to take it and power wash it. A lot of the old paint came off, some of it didn't. I'm not going to paint it just yet, it's still wet. I'm going to clean these up, maybe around that edge a little bit. I mean, it's not going to hurt. Flow of water is going out and around. Right there is broke. I might just sharpen that edge, sharpen all these edges to help the flow of water. And even in here, that one's, I don't know if you can see it on the video, like this. I'll point at it with a screwdriver. Or this. This one right here looks bent. How in the hell did they bent that? I don't know. Maybe trying to get it off, prying on it. It's got to be better than what's on there. It came with the boat, or the jet ski when I bought it, so. Here's the water inlet. So, I got this carbide bit. It's more mainly for wood. What it said on it, wood and metal, but we'll see if it clogs up with the aluminum. It probably will. But I'll still try it. Clean. Obviously this one's a little tore up, but I'm still going to use it. I kind of put a little edge on there. Hell, a lot better than this. And the actual difference in these they're, it's a pain in the ass with one hand. The one I took off is a little bit taller, but this is shorter. And I also don't get the blow by when you crank it like on this one. It'll shoot out here and shoots into the boat. And this right here, it'll slide right off. And that's your impeller. This is a little bit ground to shit. Almost looks like that's weird. Get this nail on. Gotta go on just like so. Maybe. Alright, so we got this new part of the pump on. So it's got the gears on it, so I can put reverse on it. Put the steering hook back up. This is shorter, maybe it'll help, maybe it won't, not sure. But my water inlet used to be over here, just like this one. Went up and in. But this one comes right off the top and right there, and there's the inlet. And it's too tight to make the bend with the pipe, so I have to get a 90. Somehow get that to go in there. 90 right there. But that's it. I still haven't painted it. Just kind of waiting to do that. Make sure everything works before I waste my time painting it. And this, not really sure how it's going to work with the steering cable there. Maybe these go. That can't be right. Not really sure yet. Maybe it's upside down. I'll have to look this up and see. And the tiger shark is upside down. I don't know. But that's it for now.